Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck Another. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Today's it's a no reason vlog, to be quite honest. I'm linking up one of my subscribers, someone that I met off Instagram, has been a great support to the channel, you know, doing posts like that. And I guess share some mutual friends that I have on Instagram as well. So yeah, it's gonna be the vibe today. I actually brought one of these to give to her as a small little gift. You know, it's really cool to allow persons who watch the channel to try some of the stuff that, you know, that I use on the channel as well. So anyway, she's gonna be making a shake. She does I would say she is completely into fitness. So for the guys them out there who like them type of girl, you know, go love a girl that straight up, isn't it? So she gonna make us some shakes. So I'm gonna try the shake that she's having today and just chit chat. Really not much in today's vlog. I'll show you guys, you know, what the vibe is. I've been to this spot before. Donna had a birthday up here one time, so that was a whole vibe. Yeah, see my cousin good body girl over there, so yeah man, she go and like say she don't want to do nothing. What's up, Nikki?
Hi guys.
Yeah, don't know. So yeah, everybody who did a look for my cousin and talk about, oh my gosh, oh my cousin nice.
Yes.
You're not gonna work out.
Not gonna work out.
Hey Bella. Hey. Hey Bella. Hey Bella. Come Bella. How are you?
What time I get done?
How are you? See how your people?
Wow.
Good body, you know.
I was not ready.
No, you're not ready.
This is for on the healthy side.
Good body. So guys, she's gonna be doing some YouTube channels as well, because she really into fitness. You can see that she's into fitness. So I'm gonna try some of her shake and see what is happening with the shake. Shall I try use her shirt for cover? It's not work. Really? You can't do that. Alright, so I'm gonna tell her what I think about that shaker. So it thick.
It was supposed to be more icy.
That's
but
fine.
I took this stuff out from before you guys came, so you know how that goes.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Alright Bella, like you want your mommy.
That's the builder.
Go to mommy.
Okay.
What's the vibe on?
So many spaghetti something.
Nice girl, make nice smoothie. I'm trying to figure out why not do.
You can't strawberry for sure. And there's this
Man, love it. Alright, so it's a my little gift. Is it me when you try it?
Thank you.
And when you tell me where her hands soft. So with this I'll share some little stories about this in behind us and whatever. And yeah, I'm a lightweight. Just drink 2 glasses of wine and hello?
2 half.
Sorry, 2 half glasses of wine. And I feel good. Well yeah, it's nice meeting Tiffany and whatever. She seems like a cool person, and you know my cousin is always cool. Danik is always cool. Hello? Yeah. Alright guys, so we basically just got home. The vibe for tomorrow, I'm actually gonna do a video right now cooking up something for you guys, but the vibe for tomorrow, I'm gonna be cooking something else where I'm gonna give Tiffany the opportunity to try it, and that's gonna be really cool to actually have a subscriber try one of the dishes, and maybe she'll give her good feedback. I don't even know. Alright, so we have the ladies here, so we are going to give them an, you know, maybe drink it in a styrofoam cup, no matter. Easy me. So do that. Yeah, all the baristas or whatever you want to call yourself, like critique me, say you don't want bowl. This looks messed up already, bro. It does. Can we stop? But right, I learned very quickly from watching other people do stuff, but you can already tell like this is too liquidy. We tried to get grenadine yesterday. Was it grenadine? Yeah. But we couldn't find it in Mega Mart, so I was just like, you know what? I don't see the point of trying to stress myself over this. But yeah, this is basically for a little bit of flavor and just make it look like it's rich, but it really isn't, you know. Me personally, when I go to hotels and stuff like that, I hate getting drinks that are too sweet, so hopefully I can do it that it's not that sweet. It's kind of bougie, but it's gonna melt down, like I really don't care. Alright, so yo, I don't like using measurements, I just alright, boom. So some OJ. I don't know, mixologist tell me, probably leave space for the ice. I really don't know. A bit of ginger. A little bit more. Yeah. And what else? What am I missing? That's what I'm missing.
That bottle went.
Alright, ready? Yeah. So we're gonna drop the ice in. I think logically speaking, you don't really want to have too much water from the ice, so I'm gonna try to do this really quick. But hey, I don't know what I'm talking about. I know somebody's out there saying, get him! It feels like a splash. I feel it already, dog. Ready?
Yeah, they're telling me. Yeah.
It feels sexy. Yeah,
Get them.
Alright. I have no clue how this is. Let's see. I don't think that's it. This is definitely not the way to do it, bro. That's kind of nice.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't. But really, quintessentially, it's a pool day. We're just trying to have some fun at the pool. Alright, let's have our guests try the first one.
I'm just dropping stuff right.
I think this gonna taste horrible. I ain't gonna use too much liquor.
No, it's not horrible. It's good.
It's good.
Really?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's good.
Y'all lying,
And it's
bro.
not too sweet. It's
Seriously?
Not too sweet.
Oh
Yeah,
gosh.
like everything is just right.
Yeah.
Not too sweet, not too much rum.
Gulp it.
It got good.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, I like the smell though.
Yeah.
Jesus. Hey! Hey! I like
It's
that.
really good. Yeah.
When you taste it like that, I can't recreate it.
Yeah.
No.
Right?
I can't.
This is everything that we used.
Just kidding.
So it just shows you guys, you can use like basic stuff because we couldn't get grenadine. So we just wanted like the flavors of the Caribbean. So you know, so orange is a thing for Caribbean, ginger is a thing for Caribbean. You don't know, pure blood syrup, I used to grow up on this a big time, it made me so big and strong. And Cocomania, I love Cocomania. Cocomania has a rum, it has a very nice sweet note to it. So it's not that bitterish, I like it.
Your mouth is dripping all that white substance.
It's what she can eat, and I push that eat.
Día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Y por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá. El tiempo dirá, y cuando la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Ahora con quién voy a compartir todas mis noches húmedas. Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás.
Simply go under the water. Go for your knees. Just go for your knees. Me the right person so we can see. Yeah? Wow. Yeah, come in. Alright. After three. I got 1, 2, 3.
Chica, si te vas y juegas otro papel que nunca te quedará.
You see, all the girls in my day wrote about my cousin have a buzz.
Gone, the buzz is gone.
Let me see me to see her if we can learn to swim. Alright, anything. Yeah.
The deep end.
Alright. No, you say you want to do your thing because you're a learner.
Hi, mommy.
No, she's going back to her dog, her dog. Your dog can't see better than you.
She doesn't know it, but I think.
Que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será?
You want to touch her walk it? You want to touch her just walk it? And somebody go push him off.
Tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas para ti.